In continuation of this 4-part series, I'm going to go over this guy, your aperture. I'm going to teach you what it is and how to use it. And if you haven't seen the first one, by the way, I'll put the link right up there. Now, are you curious about Aperture? 'Cause MisaCurious. Hey there, my name is Sean Misa, and welcome to my channel, where I teach you the basics of photography and videography. So if that's what you're interested in, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe with the notification bell turned on, so you will be notified when I upload a new video. For the second video in this series, we'll go over this guy, the aperture, also known as the f-stop. The way I like to remember it is this controls the amount of depth in focus. So think of it as a box in front of you. So the smaller the f-stop, like 1.4 for example, the shallower the depth of focus is. The rest of it will be blurry. So by the way, that blurriness that you see back there is called bokeh or bokeh, depending on how you want to say it. The higher the f-stop number, like f16, the deeper the focus box is, leaving less of the bokeh and more in focus. Whew, that was close. Let me go ahead and grab one of my lenses so I can show you how this works. Alright, so I have an old lens with me, and the widest my aperture can go is 1.8. Here you can see the blades are fully open, allowing a lot of the light in. And if you go the other way, you can see the blades are coming in and creating a smaller circle. So now this is at f22, the smallest this can go. It's kind of cool, right? Alright, I actually got this shirt as a gift. It actually fits well with the topic for today. Isn't that kind of cool? It's f1.8, 2.8, 5.6, and the f8. There you go, another way to go ahead and see it, hence what the f. If you want to take a photo of these books and have the rest of the background blurry, we need to use the widest aperture available on the lens. For mine, it's going to be f1.4. Yummy! That background is bokalicious. See how it helps soften the distractions in the background? The opposite is also true. If you want more in focus, we'll go with a smaller opening. Let's go with f8 for this one. See how more of the books are in focus now? And him. This can be useful for taking group shots where you may be running 3 to 4 people deep, since you'll want all the faces in focus and not just the people in front. See how easy that was? Now you're a pro with the aperture. In the next video, we'll go over the ISO, the next setting in your camera. So be sure to like this video, subscribe with the notification bell turned on so you can be notified when the next video comes out. If you have any questions, be sure to drop them in the comments below and I'd be glad to answer them. I hope I was able to help you understand the aperture and how to use it. The best way to really understand how it works is to go out there and try it. Play around with different depths and see how the f-stop affects your photo. Be sure to use the hashtag MisaCurious and let me know what f-stop you were using. I would love to see your photos. What are you waiting for? Get out there, be curious.